Welcome to PB AI Tools Review, your trusted place to discover the latest AI software, automation tools, and digital marketing solutions for creators, entrepreneurs, freelancers, and online business owners. With hundreds of AI tools launching every year, choosing the right platform is becoming more confusing than ever. Some AI tools can genuinely save time, improve productivity, and support online businesses. But others make big promises without delivering practical value. That is why researching before choosing any AI software is very important. Today, we are taking a closer look at AI Underdog. Can this AI-powered platform really help beginners, creators, and marketers work smarter? Or is it just another AI tool with big claims? In this AI Underdog review, we will explore what it is, how it works, its main features, benefits, limitations, and whether it is worth considering. Artificial intelligence has completely changed the digital world. A few years ago, creating content, managing online projects, and building a digital business required many different skills. You needed writing experience, design knowledge, marketing skills, and sometimes expensive software or professional support. But today, AI technology is making these tasks faster and easier. AI Underdog is an AI-powered platform designed to help users simplify online activities using artificial intelligence. The main idea behind AI Underdog is to make AI more accessible for everyday users. Instead of depending on multiple complicated tools, it focuses on helping users save time, automate tasks, and improve productivity. The platform is designed for people who want to benefit from AI technology without needing advanced technical skills or coding knowledge. Whether you are a beginner exploring online opportunities, a freelancer managing client projects, a content creator building your audience, or a digital marketer looking for smarter solutions, AI Underdog aims to make the process easier. So, what makes AI Underdog interesting? One of the main features is AI-powered automation. Many online activities require repetitive work that takes valuable time. AI Underdog focuses on reducing manual effort so users can complete tasks more efficiently. Another important benefit is simplicity. Many AI platforms provide powerful features but can feel overwhelming for beginners. AI Underdog focuses on creating a more user-friendly experience so new users can start using AI without a complicated learning process. It can also help entrepreneurs and online creators organize their workflow and become more productive. However, it is important to understand the real purpose of artificial intelligence. AI does not replace human creativity. The best results happen when AI technology works together with your ideas, decisions, and strategy. Who is AI Underdog suitable for? It may be useful for entrepreneurs who want to save time and automate parts of their business. Freelancers who want to complete projects faster. Content creators who need help with digital workflows. Affiliate marketers exploring AI-powered solutions. And beginners who want to start using artificial intelligence for online activities. Now, let's talk about the advantages and limitations. On the positive side, AI Underdog focuses on making AI easier for regular users. It can help reduce repetitive tasks. It brings AI technology into a simpler workflow. And it may support creators, marketers, and business owners who want to improve productivity. But like any software, it also has limitations. AI-generated results may still require human checking and improvement. New users may need some time to understand how to get the best results. And most importantly, no AI software can guarantee instant success or automatic income. Artificial intelligence is a powerful assistant. But your creativity, consistency, and strategy determine your final results. So, is AI Underdog worth trying? If you are interested in AI automation, improving productivity, and simplifying online tasks, AI Underdog may be worth exploring. It can be especially useful for beginners who want to experience artificial intelligence without dealing with overly complicated platforms. However, if you expect any software to create success without learning, planning, or taking action, you should have realistic expectations. AI tools can help you work faster. They can support your workflow. But your effort creates the real outcome. Overall, AI Underdog represents the growing future of AI-powered productivity and online business solutions. It provides another opportunity for creators, freelancers, entrepreneurs, and marketers to use artificial intelligence in their daily work. Before making your decision, check the complete AI Underdog review, latest pricing information, updates, and alternatives on our website. Visit pbreview.com. The link is available in the description. If this review helped you, subscribe to PB AI Tools Review for more AI software reviews, comparisons, tutorials, and digital business guides.